The keyboard or a piano is a musical instrument with a set of black and white keys which are played to produce music. The keyboard has 12 keys. 7 of them are white, while 5 of them are black. The white keys are known as naturals, while the black keys are known as sharps. Now, this set of 7 white keys and 5 black keys is repeated throughout the keyboard, which means this set that we have here is also the same that we have here. It's the same as this one and the same as this one throughout the keyboard. Now, like I said earlier, the keyboard has 12 keys. 7 of them are white, while 5 of them are black. Here are the names of the keys. This is key C, while this is D, this is E, this is F, this is G, this is A, this is B, and of course this is C again. While this is C sharp, this is D sharp. Remember I said the black notes are called sharps or flats. So this is C sharp because it comes after C. This is D sharp because it comes after D. And then this is F sharp because it comes after F. This is G sharp because it comes after G. And then this is A sharp because it comes after A. Now if you want to name them in a descending order or in a descending manner, then you call this B flat because it comes right behind B. Now this is A flat because it comes behind A. This is G flat because it comes behind G. This is E flat because it is behind E. And this is G flat. Now how do you identify the keys on the keyboard easily? Key C is the note, the white note that comes before every 2 black notes. So this is key C here because it comes before these 2. This is key C here, it comes before these 2. This is key C because it comes before these 2 black notes. And the same pattern is repeated throughout the keyboard. While after key C, of course, we have C sharp. I told you that the black notes are sharps or flats. This after key C, we have C sharp. Then key D is the key that comes in between 2 black notes. So this is key D because it is between 2 black notes. This is key D, it is between 2 black notes. This is key D, it is between 2 black notes. The same continues throughout the keyboard. And then key E, after key D, we have D sharp. So D sharp is the black note that comes after key D. Then E is the white note. Key E is the white note that comes after 2 black notes on the keyboard. So we have key E here because it comes after 2 black notes. You have key E here because it comes after 2 black notes. You have key E here because it comes after 2 black notes. You have key E here, it comes after 2 black notes. You have E here, it comes after 2 black notes. And then the next key is F. F is the white note that comes before, the white key that comes before a set of 3 black notes. So this is key F here because it comes before 3 black notes. This is key F here, it comes before 3 black notes. F here comes before 3 black notes. This is key F, it comes before 3 black notes. This is key F, comes before 3 black notes. While after key F, what we have is F sharp. F sharp is the black note that comes after F. And then after F sharp, we have G. G comes after F sharp. So it is the first white note that comes after this, after F sharp. Key G is the white note that comes after F sharp in the midst of the 3 black notes. And then we have G sharp after G. So G sharp is the middle note. G sharp is this middle black note here. This is G sharp. And then we have key A. A comes before the last black note. This is key A here. It comes before this last black note. This is key A. It comes before the last black note. This is key A. It comes before this last black note. This is key A. It comes before this last black note. This is key A. It comes before the last black note. And then the black note that comes after key A is A sharp. This is A sharp. This is A sharp, which is the last black note in the set of 3. So this is the last black note. A sharp is the name, A sharp. And then we have B. B comes after the 3 black notes. So after every 3 black notes, we have key B. This is key B after every 3 black notes. This is key B after every 3 black notes. This is key B after every 3 black notes. If you want to learn how to place your fingers on the keyboard for a start, and also how to gain control over your fingers, what you need to do for a start is to learn the 5-finger scale. This is the scale. You can start from key C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can also return 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can mention the names of the keys as you play them. You know how to master the names faster. C, D, E, F, G. G, F, E, D, C. Now this 5-finger scale will help you to gain finger independence. It will help you to create good posture on the keyboard, and it will also introduce you to playing the keyboard in a very relaxed way. So that's the 5-finger scale. You can also play it with your left hand. C, D, E, F, G. G, F, E, D, C. So you can play them together. You can play them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The left fingering is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Each of these keys has a major scale, and that major scale is made up of Solfa notation. So the Solfa notations in each key are do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So these are the Solfa notations in key C. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So how do we actually play these Solfa notations? Let me show you how to play them gradually. Now we have 5 fingers, but the Solfa notations are made up of 7 notes. So what do? We number our fingers. This is finger 1. This is the thumb finger. It's called finger 1. This is the index finger. It is finger 2. This is the middle finger. It is finger 3. This is the ring finger, and it is finger 4. This is the baby finger. It is called finger 5. So what we do is to play 1, 2, 3, and then we move back to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we'll return by playing 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Then you continue with this one. You move this under. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so you need to practice this slowly until you increase your speed at it. Practice it slowly until you can increase your speed. Okay, you can also play it using your left finger. So this is how we number the left fingers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is how we play the Solfa notations on the major scale in key C. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You'll move back to the middle finger. 3, 2, 1. Then we return by playing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. You need to learn how to play the Solfa notation using your 10 fingers, and this is how to go about it. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol. so, fa, mi, re, do. Now you need to keep practicing it like this slowly until you can successfully increase your speed without making mistakes. Practice like this slowly every day until you can increase your speed without making mistakes. This will help you when you begin to play the keyboard. It will help you to begin your journey. And when you become a music player, you find it very easy to solo songs because you've already mastered the Solfa notations and their fingerings. Now I have a video on this channel where I talked about the fingerings for the Solfa notations in each key, because the different keys have their own fingerings. So you can check that out. I have the video on my channel. Check that out so that you can learn how to play these Solfa notations using your 10 fingers in each key. Now if you want to learn how to play the keyboard very fast, you need to get your own keyboard, and you need to get your own keyboard and practice regularly. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, because on this channel I'm going to give you different tips on how to play the keyboard. So like I said, you practice this on a daily basis. You don't need to learn sight reading if you don't intend to play classical music. If you want to learn how to play any music by the ear, then get your own keyboard, rehearse regularly, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because here I'm going to teach you what you need to know in order to begin to play the keyboard. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question for me, please drop it in the comment section and I will definitely respond to it. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also share this video so that those who need to learn about the piano will also learn a lot from it. Do not forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video on YouTube. Thank you so much.